want to kill you. No.
This is Joey walking down my ramp. I can't stop laughing and smiling at the moment. Oh, he's bouncing a ball. Oh, look at that. He's such a pro. He's walking away. He's on all blue. He's the blue man that stole my job.
Black.
Side view, side view. Some side boob there.
I'll punch you in the face.
Dude, you should go up to the park. Oh, just kick it right here. Yeah, just kick it right here. You're right in the car. Boom! A random chick going bad. That's cute.
Wait, want me to kick it up there?
Yeah, kick it up to the park.
Alright.
From here. Yeah. Go on. Alright, he's being a douche. I'm gonna follow him. For our fans on Facebook, the original jackasses.
I have no fans, asshole.
We're our own fans. What are you talking about? We're our biggest fans.
You're bullshitting.
What are you talking about? I like myself. I don't know about you.
Like yourself.
Yeah, that's cool. We're still recording, by the way. Oh my god, the rare gazelle Joey in the neighborhood is giving us a face shot. Crockett, mate! Crockett, the rare Joe. In his Lancaster County Career and Technology Center CTC shirt is about to show you the way he bombs the ball halfway across the park. Hopefully, he doesn't bomb trying to kick it, because this is recording for you guys right now. Mostly for Tyler, because at this point, you're the only one that watches the videos. What? Yeah, you can come back here and get some.
No, coffee.
Alright, go on.
Alright, let's go. Where is that way?
Huh?
Which way am I kicking it? This way.
Oh, hold on. Alright, see, this is Joey. This is me. This is me and Joey. Hey, Ashley Bueller, what's up? We're here. See us? See me? Me? I don't know how tall I am on this thing. Joe, right here. Together. Bros. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, now for the kick. Alright. Apparently, he's gonna bomb it in the field. Hopefully. Because this is still recording.
Yeah.
My feet are fucking soaking wet because apparently this ground isn't dumb enough to fucking dry.
Don't even ask.
Joey randomly carries a little white crap in his pocket. I'm not supposed to ask, and quite frankly, I don't know if I want to.
Yeah, you don't want to. You might want to move, so I'll kill you.
Damn it. That's our spider, by the way. Isn't he awesome? Not really, but okay.
Been there for like 50 years.
Let me get a back view of this so when it goes up, I can record all of it. There's Joe again. Look at our shitty park. This is the great view they claim we have in the brochure. If we're rich enough to have a brochure. Alright, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.